God said in His Word, "For this cause shall a man leave his father and mother, and shall be joined unto his wife, and the two shall be one flesh." The only one that could break that joining is death. That's why tell death, do us part.
Standing in my own belief, swinging from the willow tree. Sun is shining, spotlight over me. Bet you're the only one to see what's really going on beneath. Feels like starting over until it's over.
Amon nga love story nag-umpisa gini sang 2007 sang na-assign ko sa Estefania.
Nakilala ko siya sa church kay actually kami gin ang first nga batch nga mga juniors ya, then young people, then siya ginang nagalid sa amon sa church.
Kag pagkakilala ko sa iya sa mga time bata pa sa, pero sandun naglawig na ang tinuig nga young people sa dito na nakilala ko bilang nga daw nga ikinanglan ko gid sa kag ginalipay ko nga ara sa
juniors pa lang ko during that time. Ako pa lang isa ka girls. Tapos ginatuduan niya kami mga all boys pa na sila. Nang lain gid ang treatment ni Pastor Sakon. Kaya gali may feeling sa nakita ko ang isa sa mga ginahangad ko man sa isa ka lalaki, Arab lang para sa akon, ang perspective ko akong mas palanggay ang Ginoo nang hindi siya makahimo sang wala sang ginatawag wala nga hindi maayo mabutang.
Kasulod sa 16 ka tuig kag salamat di sa Ginoo after 16 years kag subong amo na ni. So ang gawom sa Ginoo gamhanan gid paagi sa Panginoon.
In verse 25, this is the first characteristic of love that is being, that's the kind of love that Christ expressed for the church, for us, His children. Husband, love your wives even as Christ loved the church and He gave Himself for it. This is a sacrificial love.
Here's to starting over again.
During the year 2007, I met a pretty amazing and one of a kind whose name was Cristabel Basar. She was a junior in our church and later on this became one of our youth. Those moments that we shared, I realized that she the one that I want to spend my life with. She is the perfect definition of my other half. For almost 16 years, I never ending prayer and deep meaningful talk with the Lord. This proves that prayer is indeed powerful. Now is our time to bind us one in front of the Lord. My Cristabel, my best friend, my palangga, and my person to grow old. Sa wakas, ari na kami.
Palakpakan natin si Pastor Benji.
Tumayadan.
my soulmate, my best friend, my mentor, my pastor, my counselor, my spiritual leader, my other half, and my soon-to-be husband. Thank you so much for the unconditional love. Yes, indeed. Wala gi ka pares ang imo pagigugma. Hindi ma-explain kung nga aging palangga mo ko, kag napalangga taman ka. So unconditional love gid sa kiyambal nila. Kung unconditional love daw, hindi mo ma-explain. You cannot describe. So, hindi mo ko kabalo mag-describe nga aging palangga taman ka. Pero thank you tanan sa comfort mo, sa support mo, sa tanan ng mga counsel mo since then. Since 2007, imagine to si Job ka. Pero sobra kapag igaling kay Job, 14 years ang pinalangin mo, grabe. Grabe ang prayer mo, 16 years. So wala pa may makaperde sa imo. Para maging asawa mo, I will do my best nga maging worthy ko nga pastor's wife. And today I promise you this, I will share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals in life. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement. I will laugh with you in time of joy, and I will pray to be a submissive wife and to respect you always. I will be faithful to God. I will support Christ's ministry. I will try my best nga karapat-dapat gid maging asawa mo. Together, let us build a home filled with laughter, learning, and faithfulness to the Lord our God, Jesus Christ.
I am proud to present to you the newly married couple,